Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Facebook comment notifications on not showing. Open Facebook. There, click on your profile and then on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Then go to the section Notifications. Drop down the field, Comments. Here you can enable or disable where you receive Facebook comment notifications. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.